then what happens in reality? You look for satisfaction and this contentment in the heart. In this dunya, Allah says, you won't find it in dunya. I'm sorry. It doesn't exist in dunya. Why? Because كُلُّ مَنْ عَلَيْهَا فَانٍ, it will disappear. You go after the dunya, go earn, make money, this and that, and have a palace and have a bank account with Google with $6 billion in it and everything. And then the time will come, you leave the dunya. You leave everything behind. The family members, they bury you, they walk away from the grave. That's what you wanted. They're gone. And so this dunya is it's tricky. It will deceive people, it will lie. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, when he went to Isra al-Mi'raj, he saw an old woman calling. He said, come here, come here. He asked Jibreel alayhi salam, who's this? He said, this is the dunya. Old, ugly woman. He said, subhanAllah, this is it? Yeah, that's it. And so, he said, had you answered the call of dunya, all your ummah would have gone astray. Now, imagine this old lady, this dunya, right? It's so old, it's at the end, it's almost about to die. This dunya is about to be over. And people are still going after it. And they're forgetting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Where in fact, everything in the dunya is just signs to point you towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imagine, you go on the road, people are going after the sign itself. They rode to Mecca, they bring the sign home, they say, look, I got Mecca in my house. No, this is a sign, it's pointing you towards somewhere. And so when you look to the dunya, if you forget everything I said, look for the attributes of Allah. Look for the attributes of Allah. And they're severely limited here, but they will point you in the right direction. And if you look for the attributes of Allah, insha'Allah, Allah will guide us to Himself. أقول قولي هذا أستغفر الله لي ولكم فاستغفروه إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.